Imagine a winter that lasts longer than your entire life, a darkness that covers the world for 42 years. On Earth, night lasts about 12 hours, but on Uranus, night can last nearly half a century. A frozen world rolling sideways through space. The strange blue giant from far away. Uranus looks peaceful, a smooth, pale blue sphere floating quietly in the outer solar system. But that calm appearance hides a strange and violent story. Uranus is known as an ice giant. Its atmosphere is made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Methane absorbs red sunlight and reflects blue light, giving the planet its eerie turquoise color. Temperatures here plunge to around 224 degrees Celsius, making Uranus the coldest planet in the solar system, even colder than Neptune, a planet rolling on its side. Unlike every other planet, Uranus spins in a bizarre way. Its axis is tilted 98 degrees. That means Uranus essentially rolls around the sun like a ball. Scientists believe this happened billions of years ago when a massive Earth-sized object collided with Uranus. The collision knocked the planet sideways, and it has been rolling through space ever since. The 42-year night. Because of this extreme tilt, Uranus experiences the most unusual seasons in the solar system. At the poles, the sun rises only once every 84 Earth years. That means 42 years of daylight followed by 42 years of darkness. Imagine entire civilizations living their lives in endless night or endless daylight. Storms beneath the calm. For a long time, scientists believed Uranus was quiet, but modern observations revealed something different. Hidden beneath its thick atmosphere are powerful storms and violent winds. Some winds reach speeds of 900 kilometers per hour. Gigantic storms occasionally erupt across the planet's icy clouds. But because sunlight is so weak this far from the sun, the atmosphere remains strangely subdued compared to other giant planets. A world of exotic ice deep inside Uranus, the pressure becomes extreme. Scientists believe the planet contains oceans of superheated water, ammonia, and methane. Under intense pressure, methane molecules may break apart. Their carbon atoms could form crystals of diamond. Some researchers believe diamond rain may fall deep inside Uranus, a storm of gemstones in total darkness. The terrifying cliffs of Miranda orbiting Uranus are 27 known moons. One of the strangest is Miranda. Miranda's surface looks shattered and chaotic. On this moon lies the tallest known cliff in the solar system, Verona Rups. This cliff drops nearly 20 kilometers. If you fell from its edge, the fall would last about 12 minutes, longer than skydiving on Earth. Could humans survive there? If humans tried to explore Uranus, survival would be nearly impossible. There is no solid surface to stand on. The atmosphere becomes thicker and hotter as you descend. Crushing pressure would destroy any spacecraft long before reaching the deep interior. And the faint sunlight would provide almost no warmth. Uranus is truly a hostile frozen giant. Final thought: Uranus is not just a strange planet. It is a reminder that the solar system is still full of mysteries, a world tilted by ancient catastrophe, a planet where night lasts for generations, and somewhere beneath its icy clouds, diamond storms may still be falling in the darkness.